Okay, boys and girls, we are on the rooftop of my house on East 93rd and 2nd Avenue in the middle of the blizzard of 2015 in New York City. And I think we need to pay homage to this moment right here. It's epic, legendary, and let's do it with a song. Life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels like snow, just like a prayer. Your voice will take me there, just like news to me. You are a mystery, just like a dream. You are not what you seem, just like a prayer. No voice, no choice will take me there. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, just like a prayer, your voice will take me there, just like news to me. You are not what you seem, just like a dream. You are not what you seem, just like a prayer. No voice, no choice will take me there.